that mad love, we got that sad.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with an unboxing video on a new gorgeous handbag. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything that's pink and girly, then go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram. I do post a lot of pink pictures and inspirational photos, so go ahead and follow me there. It's FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's unboxing. So just a quick disclaimer, this is an affordable luxury handbag. So I will be unboxing it in camera. I have not opened it yet. And what that means, it's basically not the real deal, but you are getting something that is very similar, super similar, and also really good quality. So if you want to check out more of their handbags, I will leave their website down below from FABIOLAG.com. And I'm just very excited. This is a brand that I've always wanted to get, and I'm still considering of getting a bag from this brand. I'm not going to tell you what brand I got yet just because I want to open it. It's something that I don't have in my collection, and I'm very, very excited. So this did arrive super quick, like within a week to a week and a half. So shipping was extremely fast. So here it is. It's in this box. And I did come prepared this time. Usually I don't have my scissors, but I prepared myself very good today. And here it is. So it is a black box. Oh, it's super pretty. And it is a Saint Laurent bag, a YSL, and I've always wanted a bag from this collection. So I am so excited because I'll finally have one in my collection. And I am eyeing a clutch from this brand, so that's why I wanted to kind of check this one out and just see like what it looks like, because I don't have any. But here it is, the box. Let me tell you about the box. It's beautiful. It is really nice, very, very luxurious, and it looks incredible. So let's go ahead and open this up. And like I said, I will leave the name of this website down below in the description bar. You can also send me a message and I will leave you the exact handbag that I picked out. This is so pretty. Like, I am so excited. Wow, the dust bag is beautiful. It is so soft. Absolutely gorgeous. I always look at like the details of the dust bags and the actual boxes. So this is what it looks like. Can you guess what bag I got? So it comes inside this little plastic bag. Wow, I am in love with this beautiful bag. It is gorgeous. The quilting, the way that it's stitched up, the beautiful gold hardware. It's gorgeous. It is on point. It has the little D-rings on the side so you can connect the strap. And let's talk about the size of this gorgeous little bag. It is perfection. It's not super small. It can fit my phone and it looks so pretty. This is definitely the size that I like to carry my handbags because it's not like super big and bulky. But oh my goodness, it is absolutely stunning, and it is incredibly soft. This smells like leather, and it is just super soft. The quilting, the color, everything is what sold me on this bag. I knew I had to get this bag from the moment I saw it. It does come in multiple colors, but I wanted to get something different other than pink because I always get something in pink. So I am really glad I got it in this color. This is going to be my perfect handbag for the summertime. But this is the inside. It is so pretty. So it just closes with this magnetic closure. You can honestly even carry this as a little clutch if you don't want to carry it with the little strap that it comes with. Isn't it so pretty? It is so gorgeous. I can't wait to wear this. And this is the inside. Super soft on the inside. Some stuffing in there. And then there's this little card that says Saint Laurent. Here is the strap. We'll take that off in just a minute. But the inside is extremely spacious. It has like a little zipper here. So beautiful. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this beautiful bag. The inside says Saint Laurent Paris, as well as in the inside here of this flap. The other side, oh, this is perfect. It has 4 little areas for you to put your cards. So if you don't want to carry a wallet, you can just put your cards neatly in there. This is perfect. I am so happy with this little bag. Let me go ahead and put the little strap on it. So here is the strap. I just wanted to do a little close-up so you can see the details on the hardware. It does say Saint Laurent on the little hardware right there. And it's in this beautiful, like, brassy gold color. So here it is as a regular purse. It hits me right below the hip area. It does have this little adjustable strap, so you can adjust it up to 3 sizes. And as a crossbody, it looks like this. Honestly, I think I'm going to use this like a crossbody. That's how I normally wear my bags. But I think it looks so pretty, and I just love this combination of color, this like white cream color with the gold. I think it looks very, very elegant and very pretty. Honestly, I am so happy with this beautiful bag. I think it's so pretty. Definitely worth getting. If you've always wanted a bag from this brand, I highly suggest checking this style out. It's the quilted toy Loulou. It is absolutely beautiful. So let me go ahead and put some of my everyday essentials so you can see what fits inside this beautiful little bag. Okay, I have some of my essentials right here, so we can add it to the bag, see if it fits. I'm going to start off first with my phone. So I do have the iPhone 13 Pro, and I have this beautiful case from Mike's Treasures. I'll link him down below if you're interested in getting cases like this one. But here is the comparison of my phone and the bag. Yes, it fits perfect. I'm very excited. As long as it fits my phone, I'm happy with it. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the back part right here. And it fits perfect. Next, I'm going to put my little wallet like that. And like I said, you don't have to have a wallet because there is little card slots in here. I also have my Impressions vanity mirror. This is a compact mirror, and it's so pretty because it lights up. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm also going to see if I can put in my AirPods. So I have them in this little cute AirPod case, and I'm going to put that in the back. It's perfect. A lipstick. And let's see if I can fit my sunglasses. I don't have a case for them. I know I should. Yes, it fits. Everything fit perfectly. The bag is really not heavy. It's just really pretty, and I actually like how it looks all filled up. It looks much prettier now that it's all full. But you can definitely fit a lot in this little bag. So that was it for today's unboxing. Let me know what you think about this beautiful bag. Like I said, I highly recommend them. Really good quality, really fast shipping, and I am really happy with this little bag. Like, this is definitely going to be my summer bag. I really hope you loved today's unboxing. I'll leave all the links and details down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!